So, hello friends, Alena from Intense Memories. I want to continue page 8, and it's again will be very easy, simple. I already glued that strip on that strip of the paper because I want to do this pocket. So it's already easy peasy. Okay, I thinking now I did some mistake, but we still can fix it. Okay, so to make pocket I have to put glue on both edge of the pocket. Then what I always talking, it's my experience to put glue on edge of tape, because if we not do it, then when we use pocket for fill with something, usually stick on the tape, and when you put glue on edge, glue get dry and save the tape and not stick it. So very easy, really very simple page 8 is pocket like that. Then I cut from the other paper because this is from front and page 7 is from bottom of the paper, and I just take off that carriage, and I'm thinking to put this carriage here, and to make that I want to make 2 holes here and to be in same. Maybe I help myself like that. Carrot have to stay. So it's come probably here. Okay. And now, just for decoration, I put the braids, 2 braids on that hole. Nothing special. Okay, don't want to go. It's too small for my hands. Okay, come. Okay, it's done. And second, you see how unhandled I am. Okay, so now it's fine. Just fix the beds, and if it's possible, I want to not make them too, so yes, like that, because place for card, so that's okay. Now I put tapes on them like that. One and two. A little push. Take off front of the tape. Great. And now I just thinking to put this glue. Okay. Okay. And now I put that carriage here. Like that. And I forgot to put glue here, so I will do right now, just little bit, to hold when I put card here, to not go out. Okay, and now how I tell is very easy. Leftover paper, I just make something like photo mat for 4 cards here, for 4 cards here. We put this to the pocket, and this is one more. Okay, that's all. Maybe the card come like here. Okay. So cute giraffe. Alright, now I take off all the paper. That was really easy page. But beautiful paper. You don't need nothing more, and when you put on photo mat your gorgeous photos from baby, you don't need too much decoration. Or some people have like simpler. I am person who like maybe middle. Also decorate, but not too much. Because sometimes less is more. Okay. Too much. Okay, I don't want to go out. Then I will glue especially here. So I think we'll be fine. Okay, album. Great. And glue it. perfect. So that is my style. I always like when pages, when you open album, cooperated together. So usually all my album have with 2 pages a little bit same, or basic, or some decoration, like here. Yes, it's basic, it's same. Actually that is the bottom of paper. Here was top of the paper because I have 2 sheets, and this play with that photo mat. So thank you very much, and see you on next page. Bye bye guys.